We're going to be making a really great dish today called Samgyeopsal, which are pork belly lettuce wraps. This is a really great interactive meal you can have with your family and friends. To start off with, we have a selection of a few kind of herbs you can use as your lettuce wraps. You want to give these a little rinse before you use them. We've got some cos lettuce, and this purple one is called perilla leaf. We'll start by slicing 300 grams of pork belly. We want nice, thick 2 centimeter slices. To make our ssamjang sauce, our barbecue sauce, we'll begin by mincing 1 clove of garlic. We'll mince 2 spring onions and chop the spring onions really, really finely. We'll go ahead and place all of the spring onions and the garlic into a bowl. To it, we're going to add 40 grams of doenjang, which is Korean bean paste. We're also going to add in 50 grams of gochujang. I'm transferring mine to a bigger bowl for mixing. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. Next we'll add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and we'll mix everything together until it's well incorporated. And there's our barbecue sauce. To cook the pork belly, heat a cast iron skillet or grill. Place the pork belly slices directly onto the grill. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on either side. Once both sides are nice and golden brown and it's cooked for about 3 minutes on both sides, your pork belly is ready. And now to make one of the wraps. Grab one of your leaves. Here I'm using perilla leaf. Grab a tablespoon of cooked rice, a spoon of your ssamjang barbecue sauce, and then a little slice of pork belly. It's really that simple. There you have it, Samgyeopsal Korean pork belly wraps.